Let me show you the next step of the process of the estimation workflow, which is going to be providing the cost index on the top of your estimate. Now, this is going to be an optional step, but you can go ahead and do it. So we're going to be talking about this fourth step, that is entering the cost index. Now, to get to this part, all you have to do is, after providing the quantities, go to this button right here at the bottom to save your estimate. It will take a few seconds depending upon how big your estimate is, but do not click back or refresh during that process because it is going through all the estimate analytics, creating your Excel file and everything at the back end. So once you're here on this page of estimate analytics, at the bottom right, you can see your cost index. This is where you can provide your cost index. By default, the cost index is going to be taken as 0. If your area has a specific cost index already created for you or defined for you, you can go ahead and enter it by just simply clicking anywhere on this entire tab. It will open an option of updating the cost index. Now just remember that when you are entering the cost index, enter it as a percent. I've also written a note right here, but do not provide a 10% as 0.1 because everything has to be provided in a percent. So if, for example, your cost index is 10%, you can simply type in 10% and just simply update the value. It will take a few seconds to update, and after it is, you can see the cost index is updated right here at 10%. And at the bottom, you can see the estimated cost including 10% cost index has also been updated. So this is the estimated cost at the bottom, and the above one is the estimated cost including the 10% cost index. Now you can also change the cost index by clicking on this option right here itself, anywhere on this text which says estimated cost including 10% cost index. If you just click on it, again, you're taken to that same cost index updation area. If I wanted to change it to say 12, I'll just change it to 12 and just click on update value. It will take a few seconds again and it will be updated to 12% right here, and the value is also going to be updated. There are a few other ways of adding cost index, which I'll show you where they are relevant. For now, just remember that it is to be done at the end of the estimate preparation. Again, this method is optional. You can leave it as it is. A 0 cost index would mean that you are actually taking the rates for Delhi itself. So that's all about entering cost index.